my fellow Americans. It's me, Ronald Reagan, or the ghost of what this party once stood for. I didn't claw through the Cold War to see America turn on the very ideals we claim to defend. In 1986, I gave amnesty to 2.7 million undocumented immigrants, not because I was weak, but because I believed in compassion, in dignity, in a nation that does not punish the people who build it with their bare hands. I believe that if a man milks your cows, picks your food, roofs your homes, he deserves a seat at the table, not a cell in a for-profit cage. But now I see what this nation has become. You build Nazi-style detention centers, not in Germany, but in Texas. For what? To profit off men of faith and labor, to cage fathers and deport mothers while whispering about family values. And now you cheer a man, Trump, who builds walls of steel and walls of law designed to keep out the poor, the brown, the desperate. But let's in Russian oligarchs and Epstein's friends. You claim to be the party of Christ, yet your silence is louder than ice boots in the night. Your faith, it's for sale to fear, to whiteness, to power. Let me say it again, Mr. Trump. Tear down this wall! Not just the one at the border, but the wall in your heart, the one made of cruelty, the one funded by lawyers, fed by fear, and praised by cowards. I gave amnesty, and America didn't collapse. We thrived. Wages went up. Taxes were paid. Families stayed together. But you've become so broken that even immigration lawyers profit off your refusal to do what's right. Because make no mistake, no amnesty means more court cases, more profit, more suffering. And what does the American Bar Association say? Nothing. They make their money while you tear apart your neighbors. This isn't just a policy failure. It's a moral failure! This is Ronald Reagan, and I did not fight communism for this country to become a prison for the poor. I say again,